Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, January 9, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine. David.
Good morning, David. Yes, finally it is Friday. I'm so happy.
Me too. It is a very long week. I am very tired.
You look tired. Do you need a coffee?
Yes, please. I need a big coffee. Black coffee, no sugar. I need energy.
Here is your cup. Be careful, it is very hot.
Thanks, Alex. You are the best. So how is your morning? Is it busy?
It is okay. I have a meeting in 1 hour, but right now it is quiet. And you? How are sales?
Sales are okay, but I have a lot of emails. I have 50 new emails today.
Wow, that is a lot of work. Good luck with that.
Thanks. I need it. By the way, did you read the news this morning?
Not really. I was very busy with my breakfast. Why, is there something important?
Yes. There is a very interesting article in the New York Times. It is from yesterday, January 8.
Oh, really? What is the title?
The title is the Robot Tax Act. It is very controversial.
That sounds serious. What does the article say?
It says the government wants a new tax. Companies must pay money if they use robots instead of humans.
Really? A tax on robots? That is new?
Yes. If a company fires a person and uses AI, they pay 10% more tax.
10%? That is a big number.
Yes. The article says it is to protect human jobs. They want to save our jobs.
I think that is a good idea. Many people are worried about AI. We need to protect workers.
I understand that. But for sales, it is difficult. My boss wants to use AI for emails. It is cheaper.
Yes, it is cheaper for the company. But it is bad for society if people have no jobs.
True. But if the company pays 10% more, maybe they will keep the humans.
Exactly. That is the point. It makes humans more attractive than robots.
I hope so. I do not want a robot to do my job. A robot cannot drink coffee with you.
You are right. A robot is not fun at the coffee machine. Do you think the law will pass?
I do not know. The article says many big companies are angry. They do not want to pay.
Of course. Companies always want to save money, but the government needs to help people.
It is a difficult topic. Politics is always complicated.
Yes, it is. But speaking of technology, did you see the news in the Washington Post?
No, I only read the New York Times today. What is in the Washington Post?
There is an article from Wednesday, January 7. It is about new technology.
Oh, I love technology. Tell me more.
The headline is The Eye That Sees All. It is about smart contact lenses.
Smart contact lenses? Like for your eyes.
Yes, you put them in your eyes. But they are special. They can record video.
Wait, they can record video? Like a camera?
Yes, they record everything you see. 24 hours a day.
Wow, that is amazing. Imagine the possibilities.
I do not think it is amazing. I think it is scary.
Why is it scary? It is cool. I can record my meetings with clients.
But David, think about privacy. If you wear them, you record me right now, and I do not know.
Oh, I see your point. You do not know if I am recording.
Exactly. The article says people are very worried. It is a big problem for privacy.
But think about the benefits. If I forget a name, I can watch the video again.
Yes, that is useful, but it is also dangerous. What if someone hacks the video?
That is true. Hackers are a big problem. Does the article say when they are available?
It says they come to the market in 2 months. They are very expensive too.
How much? $1,000?
No. The article says $3,000 for one pair.
$3,000. That is too much money. I cannot buy them.
Good. I do not want you to record me at the coffee machine.
Don't worry. I prefer to use my memory. It is free.
Yes. And your memory is not very good, so my secrets are safe.
Hey, my memory is excellent. I remember you owe me a donut.
I do not remember that. See, your memory is bad.
You are funny today. But talking about food, I saw something crazy in USA today.
Oh no, what is it now? Another tax?
No, not a tax. It is about our diet. The article's from Tuesday, January 6.
Okay, what is the news?
The headline is the meat limit proposal. It is about eating meat.
Is it about health or the environment?
It is about the environment. They want to limit how much meat we buy.
Limit meat? How much is the limit?
The article says 4 pounds of red meat per month. Only 4 pounds.
4 pounds per person? That is not a lot.
It is nothing. I eat a burger 3 times a week. I love steak.
I know you love steak, but the article says it helps the climate.
I know climate change is bad, but 4 pounds is very strict.
It is strict, but maybe we eat too much meat. Vegetables are good too.
Vegetables are boring, Alex. I need protein. I am a salesperson. I need energy.
You can get protein from other things, like beans or eggs.
Beans? No way. I want a real burger. This proposal makes me angry.
Is it a lie yet? Or just a proposal?
It is just a proposal right now. But people are protesting. The article shows photos of protests.
I understand. Food is very personal. People do not like rules about food.
Exactly. Don't touch my burger, that is my rule.
Well, I am a vegetarian sometimes. So for me, it is not a big problem.
Lucky you. But for me it is a disaster. I hope they change the number to 10 pounds.
10 pounds is a lot of meat, David. Maybe 6 pounds is a good compromise.
Okay, 6 pounds? I can survive with 6 pounds, but 4 is too low.
We will see what happens. The world is changing very fast.
Yes, it is. Robot taxes, camera eyes, and no burgers. What a crazy week.
It is a very crazy week. 2026 is an interesting year.
Very interesting. I just want a simple life, coffee and sales.
And donuts. Don't forget the donuts.
Yes, speaking of donuts, is there a donut in the kitchen?
I think there is one donut left. But you have to run.
Really? I must go now. I need that sugar.
Go, David. Save the donut.
But wait. I have a meeting in 5 minutes. I almost forgot.
Oh no, you do not have time for the donut.
This is a tragedy. A robot tax and now no donut.
Life is hard, David. Very hard.
Well, I should go to my desk. My boss is looking at me.
Yes, my boss is coming too. We need to work?
Okay, Alex. Thanks for the chat. It was fun.
Yes, it was good to talk. Good luck with your 50 emails.
Thanks. Good luck with your project meeting.
See you later, David. Maybe at lunch?
Yes, let's have lunch. But no burgers today. I am scared of the meat police.
Okay, we can eat salad. See you later.
Bye, Alex. Have a good day.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.